The reality of driving business to your door all comes down to one thing: alignment. Alignment with your customers, alignment with your staff, and alignment with your partners. When your goals are both aligned with your business and the needs of your customer, there's no doubt you'll find success in driving business to your door. Simply focus on customer service, communication, quality, safety, and trust. When these 5 things are focused on and prioritized with both your team and your customers, well, congratulations, your alignment is in check. And soon enough, you'll find business knocking right at your door.